Today I have a huge Shop Disney unboxing. And when I say huge, like, you'll see what I'm talking about. Wait 1 second. Usually I stand for these, but I don't want to do that right now. So, like, huge, alright? So, it came yesterday. Disney has been, like, delaying packages like crazy. And I've waited a while for this. It's when I returned from Disney, I placed this order that same day. But I was like, you know what? I need to, as I'm dressed, do this unboxing real quick. Because I can't wait anymore. I want to see what's inside. I can't even speak. Oh, okay, well, that's beautiful, Sam. I'm struggling here. The box is too big. Okay, let's see. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay. Let's put these scissors. Okay. Just gonna put that there. Oh my god, this is amazing. Alright. First things first. Let's toss those over there. Look at my Stitch Munchling. Oh my goodness. Does it smell? I have foundation on, so I don't want to get that on him. Look! He is so big! So, Shop Disney canceled my one order of Munchlings that I placed. I was supposed to do this big Munchling unboxing. I don't know what that was about because they weren't even out of stock and they were like, oh, it's because it went out of stock and then they put it back. I'm like, okay, it looks like it never went out of stock in the first place. So I don't know why you guys canceled it on me. So I was like, while I was at the parks, I'm like, maybe I'll find them there. They weren't even there either. So I was like, all right. So when I came back, I just placed an order and I got them. They're not scented, but I heard someone say, well, someone told me on Instagram they don't make them scented anymore. Is that true? I don't know. Look how cute he is. This is adorable. I really wanted these. And then, let's see. We have a shirt. Alright, what size did I even get? I don't even know. Let's see. I think I got... Because Disney sizes run really big. I think it's a large. Doesn't even say. Okay, well that helps. But I got this shirt. Look how cute that is. It looks really big. I didn't know this was on the back. Are you kidding me? That is so cute. Didn't know. And we all know how much I love Frozen and how much I love Nuimos. The Alice and White Rabbit is what I bought at Disney. And I thought they'd have these two, but they did not. And I had to get them online as well because I was like, okay, while I was at the parks, I thought that I'd get everything. But I didn't, so I had to just order it online. Look how cute these are. Now, they had this big sale on Shop Disney. It was like free shipping and this like percentage off. I don't remember what the sale was exactly. But I picked those up because I could not find them at the parks. The Goofy shirt was there, but like the online deal was way better because they started some kind of deal early. I was like, I'll just get it on there with all of this stuff and get the percentage off and the free shipping. It worked out really good. I didn't pay that much for these things. So the Munchlings came down to like 22 instead of like 30. The Nuimos were like $12 each instead of like $21.99. And the shirt was like under $20, I want to say. So my point is I got a really good steal online. That is it for today's video, my loves. Let me know down below what your favorite thing was in this haul video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!